You come with a solid background in HR recruitment. You also have a recruitment company. What kind of a job will exist or not in the coming years? What is happening currently in India in terms of companies hiring, and what kinds of jobs are they hiring for? Are they hiring or firing? What's happening?
So hiring is happening for sure. If my hands are full, means the hiring is happening. AI is a support, right? It's not a replacement. And I think since COVID days, we've been talking about upskilling, right? So it's nothing like, new. You have to just upskill and see how you can utilize. Like in our HR function, in recruitment, we are utilizing AI to the best. Like it's either about designing your job detail, or creating an analysis, or creating an entire summary of a document, doing certain benchmarking exercises. I think we have been using it. It's not that we are totally dependent on it, but yeah, of course. So AI is another high level of, I think, Google, which is giving you an access to a lot of information. Now you have to see how you can utilize it to your best. So it's better that I suggest everyone to learn how to effectively use AI. Rather than taking it as somebody who is your enemy, I think he's a best friend right now.
Do you see that there is changes in patterns of hiring with regards to, or the job positions, etc., are changing fast in this coming years?
I think big changes. I've never seen information or a job detail from a client wherein it is written that person should know how to use prompt in AI. And otherwise, if you talk about the industries which are on really scaling up and hiring, of course GCC is one, everybody knows. So there'll be a lot of position coming in. Financial analysts, which are I think more required. So BFSI sector will really boom further. Healthcare is boom because I think government is working on creating 1,000+ more nursing colleges. There will be nurses, and government is already working on export of nurses also. So I think healthcare is another industry. Then pharma, which is again, I think a lot of hiring happening in research, or maybe medical writers. Then we are coming up with those health tech and healthcare centers these days. So health tech is again helping. Like we have a lot of companies like Tata AMG, Parmezi and all, which is making life easy for people for reaching out to medicines. So there are opportunities. It's only that you have to see that where you suit the best.
Hello, dear viewers of this channel. If you came across this channel randomly while browsing something else, it's okay. I understand. All you have to do is to watch some of the videos, listen to the stories of these wonderful women personalities that we bring in here, and yes, do support us. All you can do is to just click on the like button as well as the subscribe button on your YouTube channel. Will you please do that for us? That will be much appreciated. And we can bring in more such women voices. As you scroll your phone, sometimes you might learn something impressive from one of these women. See you there.